Hello, and welcome to the Inksys Academy. In this video, we will show the navigation and control options in our Station 1 lines. From our event log window, if you click on the station diagram dropdown, you'll see an alphabetical list of all of the 1 lines for each station in the entire system. Since Cascadia is fairly small, there's only about 70 stations, the list is not too long. If I want to open a particular station diagram, I can either use the scroll bar and select it, or if I start keying in the station name in the box, you'll see the list filter down. I can either hit enter or click on the station itself to open its 1 line. In our Station 1 line, if you look in the upper left-hand corner, I'll see Close, Back, and Next options. The close button works the same as the big red X in the corner. It will close out this window. Back and Next function the same as in every other web page. As I navigate from station to station, I can use the back button to take me to where I was previously. In the upper right-hand corner, you'll see the sim time and the status. The sim time should be advancing if I see the green dot. The green dot means the simulator is running. A yellow dot means the simulator is paused, and a red dot means that the simulator is stopped. If the simulator is not in a running state, you won't be able to do anything. So be sure that it's very common to forget after you load a base case, for example, to hit start. So just be sure that you do that before you try to take any other actions. The other thing in the upper left is I'll see my built-in zoom feature. I can use this to zoom a station either in or out. Remember to use that instead of the browser zoom, which is the control and the mouse wheel. If you use that, it can tend to actually make things within this station disappear. So you might see this line actually go away, and it can be kind of confusing if you don't know what you're looking for. So in Power Simulator, anytime you want to use a device to operate or navigate, like we just did by clicking on that, we just gave this a left click. Anytime you want information about a piece of equipment, you can right click and select Device Info. So a left click is basically your operational function, and a right click is your informational function. So if I right click and select Device Info for the end of this line, I'm going to get a whole boatload of information. This is going to give me the readings for megawatts, megavars, the MVA. It'll give me the charging vars for the line, the angle at each end, who it belongs to, who has jurisdiction over it, which control area or company, all kinds of stuff. So this can be very helpful to try to when you need to get information about a particular line. Anytime you see a value that is followed by a 2, that is the reading for the other end of the line. And anytime you see a value followed by a 1, that's for this end.